Hey guys, welcome back to Vinceville Customs. So today we're going to do a review on this garage kit of Moondragon from Marvel Comic Books. Now if you know Moondragon, she's definitely a cosmic character. I think she, if I don't remember correctly, she was dating Phyla Vale, which is one of my favorite Captain Marvel characters. So this is kind of like a fun project to see and actually paint up. I don't know much about it, who sculpted it or who's producing it. If the person who is doing it or whatever, they want to put some comments in the section, they can. They're more than welcome to. But other than that, I was just asked to pretty much do a review and kind of paint it up. From what I understand, though, it's supposed to be more of a Bowen scale, so it's supposed to be 1/6. So I think this is printed a little bit larger than what they were going for. So I think it's more of a 1/5 right now. But I'm just kind of painting this one up just so, you know, they can get an idea of, like, you know, the prototype and what it's supposed to look like. So it's a really cool garage kit. It's really well done. I mean, it's straightforward. You have a female figure and then you have a green outfit. That's pretty much all she really is. She doesn't have any hair. She's bald. She has 2 earrings that go on her head, but I left those in a box because I don't want to snap them. But, I mean, the face sculpt is really nice. I do like it. Really good job on that. Nice job on the body. This leg is separated, but they put it together in the box for now. So I have to kind of see if I'm actually putting this all together as one solid piece, or if it's just more like painting it up and sending it out and then they just need it for reference or prototype work. But other than that, this is a really great sculpt. I think it's going to be a really great Bowen piece, you know, added to a collection. The base is really great. I like the idea of having this etched Moondragon, you know, into the base for the character. It's pretty straightforward, simple, museum pose, which I like. So you have the figure, you got a right arm, left arm. I don't think they are magnetized. I think they're just kind of keyed together. Yeah, they're not really magnetized, so I might either have to add magnets or if they want me to kind of glue it together. We'll see how that goes. So what let me do is I'm going to kind of bend down the camera and show you how she goes into the base a little bit. It's a little bit tricky. As of right now, they just kind of printed out a rod, you know, resin rod to kind of hold her up. So she's supposed to be like floating. But I think to be on the safe side, I'll go into the garage and cut a nice brass rod just to be safer and sturdy. Because this right here, even though this is fairly sturdy, you can actually probably snap this by accident. So let me stop the camera, kind of bend down a little bit so this way we could kind of see what she looks like in the base. Alright, so this is a little bit tricky. I got the camera in my face, but let's see if we can get this. So the way this goes into the base like that. Alright. And then the rod is supposed to go down here like this. And then I won't be able to probably put it all together. So she's supposed to go onto this like that. Like this goes into her foot, so that's a little bit tricky. Like, how are you supposed to get this in there with this? Oh, so I guess what's supposed to happen is, I guess the way I gotta kind of figure this out is leave this rod down like that. Sort of put her together like this, right? Yeah, it's gonna definitely probably have to attach all this, at least the body, the main body. So she goes sort of like this here, right? So it's a little bit of a puzzle, and then this rod would go through there, and then stay connected, don't fall on me. All right, this will stay like that. See, this is a little bit tricky. It might not be lining up correctly either. There we kind of go. See, it's always about a kit when you first get it. You got to kind of plan it all out. Like if you have the earrings on her too, like and you're going to keep her separated. Yeah, it's kind of not lining up correctly the way it wants to. Yeah, it's not like going. So there's definitely going to be some tweaking work here to kind of plan this out. I understand what they were going for. Oh, there we go. Now we got it. All right. See, it's a little bit tricky. But see, that's kind of how she kind of floats like that on the base. So you can see down there, that's that rod. So that's definitely got to have something a little bit better to hold her up, you know. So I don't think like this one is a final. Like I said, I got to kind of figure out what we're going with this one. And then this foot connects over into here like so. like that. It's definitely a really cool pose, as you can see. So kind of go up a little bit here so you can kind of see how it's all going working. Yeah, so that's the trickiest part of this whole thing. I mean, it's once I kind of figure this out here and I get this working, the rest of it kind of just connects and works. I mean, there's really nothing more to it other than that. So once I figured that out, and then the earrings is the other part, because if these earrings are kind of hanging off here and you slide her up there, you might snap off and break those earrings. So what I might need to do is see if the earrings go on in a way where I won't break them, or if I have to maybe put some metal ones on to kind of like make it a little bit more secured. There's a little bit of a dent. Nah, it's just, it might be a little bit of a dent there. Yeah, so it's just a little bit tricky. But other than that, yeah, this is a really cool sculpt. Pretty simple, straightforward, not much more to it. So let me know what you guys think. Hopefully I'll be able to get this put together fairly quickly when I'm ready to work on it. And that's pretty much all I have on it. So thanks for watching, and we'll be back with some more videos.